my first cruise with your balls.
Hey, what up, yo?
Evelyn here. Missing Jackie, but it's cool. Check it out. Extra dark chocolate, just like the family. Yeah, this is what it's about, baby. It's for the birthday. Cruising is one of my favorite types of vacation because I get to eat all I want, drink all I want, sleep all I want, and just look at blue water, enjoy good shows, and no one interrupts me. Cause I'm back in the loop, back in the trenches. Bet your old habits doing favors like a yes man. Bet you think I'm needing for approval like I'm desperate. Just as lost as you, I see ain't answers to my question. Many birds gotta feel I get that new whip. And he sells I gotta close so I can book that cruise ship. I think I'm gonna say 2 clips. Like 2 money clips. Yeah. How many hours gotta work? How many hours? Hours clocked in. How many hours clocked in so I can make 2 clips? I think I want to end these 4 bars with either loose lips or bullshit. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna say how many songs I gotta write, how many songs I gotta drop to escape this bullshit. So I think I'm gonna end it with how many bars I gotta write, how many songs I gotta make, how many bars I gotta write, how many songs I gotta drop to escape this bullshit. Let's figure out the flow. Cause I wanna put both. How many beats I gotta make, how many songs I gotta write. Escape this bullshit. It's not gonna flow. So how many songs I gotta drop just to... How many songs I gotta write to escape this bullshit. Keep it simple. I'm always complicating things. Many burgers got flipped till I get that new whip. How many sales I got closed so I can put that cruise ship. Many hours clocked in. Oh my god, clocked in. Alright. How many hours gotta flip till I get that new whip? How many sales I gotta clock and book that cruise ship? How many hours clocked in so I can make 2 clips? Many songs I gotta write to escape this bullshit. When I write my songs, I write them like problem solution and question answer, you know. So like I literally said, like the first I'm talking about how I can't breathe, I'm suffocating, and I'm explaining why it's happening, like what happens when I start feeling like I suffocate, you know, the things that make me feel like I'm suffocating. I'm back in the loop, I'm back doing the same thing, I'm saying yes to everything, I'm needing approval. Like these are things like, okay, so I gotta get back on that. This is why I always get lost. So anyways, lost in this house. We got 4 more bars left until we drop the chorus, drop the hook. It needs to feel as suffocating as possible, which is what I feel when I'm at work. Cause I can't keep driving in a car with no gas. Cause I can't keep driving a car. Cause I can't keep driving a car with no gas. Can't keep driving a car with no gas. I can't keep leaving my... What's another word for happy? Cause I can't keep driving a car with no gas. I can't keep stuck in my past. Good morning. Just woke up. It's like 6:30 in the morning. We're pulling up into Nassau. As I've been alive, family has always planned what I do on my birthday. You know, my mom's like, this is what we're doing for your birthday. My sisters are like, this is what we're going for your birthday. This time I was like, I'm going on a cruise. And I was like, I'm booking a solo cruise. So I booked a solo cruise. And then I went ahead and I told my sister. And Evelyn's like my best friend. And she went ahead and booked herself in literally the suite next to mine. Can't help it, you know? I'm excited because, you know, I always take my birthdays to self-reflect, you know? Think about what I've accomplished so far this year. Think about what I accomplished since my last birthday. And what I want to do moving forward. As far as hooks, I was thinking, I was like, can I live? Can I breathe? Can I live? Can I? Let me breathe, let me breathe. Can I live? Can I? Let me breathe, let me breathe. Can I live? Can I breathe? Can I live? Can I breathe? Something like that. I forgot because, you know, that damn tequila. Okay, so I wrote scared to feel joy because I'm scared it won't last. Dun 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 dun. Okay, what about instead of can't reach the next step, is can't reach the exit if I'm stuck in the past. Cause I can't keep driving a car with no gas. Cause I can't keep driving a car with no gas. Can't reach the next step if I'm stuck in the past. I'm scared to feel joy cause I'm scared it won't last. You know what? I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna put, but I gotta take the exit or else I might crash. But it's time to take the exit or I'm scared I might crash. There we go. But it's time to take the exit. Oh my God, I'm so smart sometimes. I deserve like a pat on the back. I deserve like a Happy Meal. I deserve like a beer. I don't know. I deserve something. I deserve a good job, D. Like, I'd appreciate y'all put a good job, D, in the comments. Yes, I need attention. I'm the oldest, but yeah, I need attention too. What's up? It's time to take the exit. If not, I might crash. And then hook. Can't keep driving a car with no gas. Can't reach the next step if I'm stuck in the past. I'm scared to feel joy cause I'm scared it won't last. But it's time to take the exit cause if not I might crash. Scared to feel joy cause I'm scared it won't last. I hate that I'm repeating scared, but I gotta repeat scared because what else would I put? I'll put refuse to feel joy. Not refuse. I'm not scared to feel joy. I do this thing where I don't fully enjoy things because I'm like, eventually it's gonna be over. Anyone else would be happy, but I'm the type of person, I'm just like, don't get too happy because it might be taken away. So I'm not scared to feel joy. I don't fully embrace it. So now I gotta fit that because scared to feel joy doesn't sound the same as like what I just said. Okay, I got it. Can't live in the moment, I'm scared it won't last. Can't keep driving the car with no gas. Can't reach the next step if I'm stuck in the past. Live in the moment, I'm scared it won't last. But it's time to take the exit, if not I'll just crash. Can I live? Can I breathe? Can I live? I think it's just gonna be can I live? Can I live? This is something that I actually say a lot when I get like bothered because it really does come down to like, it feels like you're being suffocated when people start being so invasive. Like, bro, can I live? Can I breathe? Like, let me breathe, bro. Like when someone asks you a question and then they're like, blah, 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 blah. Like, yo, can I process the question first? I'm not lying. I'm not deceiving you. I have to think of the answer. Can I process what you just told me, bro? And then when someone texts you at the Lin and literally you're reading the message, like you sent it to me like 10 seconds ago. I just got the notification. And then you send another one saying hello or question mark. And then they start calling you, blowing up your phone, talking about why aren't you picking up the phone? Bro, can I live? Can I breathe? Oh my God. Can I live? Can I breathe? You know? Sometimes I also say, back your shit up. But okay, I think for the hook, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I just got the idea. So it'll be like, can I live? Can I live? And then the backer's gonna be like, back your shit up, back your shit up, back your shit up, back your shit up. And we need some record scratches in there because that's what we gotta do. Oh my God. I can't believe it just came to me. That's amazing. Favorite things about cruising is that unless you pay for Wi-Fi, you're totally disconnected. So got a massage, really fixed my back. I was having back problems. That's how it is when you cook all day, Got to see some performances. For the most part, I was just walking around eating, sleeping, and snacking.
They're like, they can't resist how to keep it.
Day 3, and we're pulling up to Ocean Cave. The goal for this trip was to swim in that blue water, but I also got some work done. I shot a little footage for one of my songs. Check it out. The ship detached. This is when the bad decision started. We hadn't eaten since noon, and we were like, let's put that drink package to use because it was our last night on the boat. Guess who's back? That's good again.
Hey! You brought in my fucking diamond.
Back to the bar, and these bartenders, they were serving us champagne flutes full of tequila.
Nadish said I'm going home.
Island.
Evelyn made some friends, which is always a good sign. This is me, my red cheeks, because the alcohol was hitting, trying to get emotional. Yo, what's good? It's Real Deal. I'm with my sister.
I lost my phone.
So,
What are these out there in the break?
it is May 30th, May 31st. We just can't find Javon. Javon, ¿dónde estás? Javon, where you at, bro?